there, I'm Stacy Trin from InsuranceExamGuides.com, and welcome to our online course for AINS 101, Increasing Your Insurance IQ. In this course, we'll go over what insurance is and how it can provide people with financial protection. We'll also discuss the key job roles in an insurance company, as well as how insurance policies are designed and structured. Sometimes, students struggle to get through their studies because they find that the learning material they're using is too boring, too technical to understand, or they might just get overwhelmed by how much stuff they have to remember. At Insurance Exam Guides, we've created our study materials with these pain points in mind so that we can create better tools to help students prepare for their exams. Before you begin your lessons, be sure to check out all the videos in the intro module, especially if this is your very first time using an IEG online course. There, we'll show you how to use some of the extra features you'll find in this course, and we'll also provide you with smart study strategies and other practical tips that you can utilize during the actual test. So if you're ready to do this, so are we. Let's get down to business, the insurance business that is.